In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add motion blur to your layer in Photoshop. So let's get started. I want the motion blur on this top layer here, that's the man running, and not on the background, so I'm going to have that top layer selected. And first, I need to make this layer a smart object. So I'm going to right-click over the layer, convert to smart object. After doing that, I can go up to my filter dropdown and go to blur. And what I'm going to do is add motion blur. And here I can control the level of blur. So I can make it really crazy like that. Obviously that's a bit too much, but I can turn it down, and I can also change the angle. Right now the angle is actually looking appropriate for this image, but if you had an image where the blur needed to go up and down, you can change the angle to 90 degrees or any other direction that you see fit. So let's go back to 0. That's about right. I can change the distance a bit. And I think that's fine. So hit OK, and then I have a nice blurry image that looks like a man sprinting past, and that's exactly what I want. And like I said, he is on his own layer, so if I needed to, I could turn off the background and export him just like this, or I can leave that on. And that is it. I hope that this helped you guys. If it did, please give me a like, check out my playlist in Photoshop for more, and thank you so much for watching.
If you want to support me and see what I've been working on, check out my Explainer video channel.